Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update. If I start to get a little congested during the video, my apologies. Just bear with me, I might have a little bit of a cold or allergies, but either way, I should be able to power through the video. Also, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks because he still does not have a new charger for his iPad yet. So, I'll be taking over for him until further notice. Anyway, we have a marginal risk for severe weather today that encompasses far eastern Wyoming, west central and southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, and northeastern Colorado. There is no tornado threat for today, so that's good news. Again, there is no tornado risk for today. Going to the wind for today, we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 50 miles per hour higher today that encompasses far eastern Wyoming, west central and southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, and northeastern Colorado. Going to the hail for today, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses far eastern Wyoming, west central and southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, and northeastern Colorado. Going to the summary for today, thunderstorms capable of isolated severe gusts and hail will be possible today across parts of the central and northern high plains. So that's today's outlook. Going to the outlook for tomorrow, we have 3 areas where we have a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow. We have 1 marginal tomorrow that encompasses far south central Idaho, northeastern Nevada, parts of Utah, southwestern Colorado, northwestern New Mexico, and northeastern Arizona. Another marginal risk tomorrow encompasses parts of eastern North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. Going down here, there is another marginal tomorrow that encompasses parts of southeastern North Carolina and the very far extreme northeastern tip of South Carolina. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow, we have a tornado risk. We have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses northeastern North Dakota and northwest Minnesota. Another area where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow encompasses southeastern North Carolina and the very far extreme northeastern tip of South Carolina for tomorrow. Going to the wind for tomorrow, there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 50 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One that encompasses far south central Idaho, northeastern Nevada, parts of Utah, southwestern Colorado, northwestern New Mexico, and northeastern Arizona. Another area where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 50 miles per hour higher tomorrow encompasses parts of eastern North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. Going to the hail for tomorrow, we have 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. One that encompasses parts of east central and southeastern Utah, southwestern Colorado, northwestern New Mexico, and northeastern Arizona. Another area where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow encompasses parts of eastern North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. Going to the summary for tomorrow. On Monday, which is tomorrow, sporadic severe gusts and marginally severe hail will be possible during the afternoon to early evening. Across parts of the eastern Great Basin to Four Corners, isolated marginally severe storms are possible over eastern North Dakota and northwest Minnesota during the late afternoon and evening. A low probability tornado threat may develop over eastern North Carolina. So, that's the outlook for today and tomorrow. Anyway, stay safe in the affected areas for today and tomorrow, despite it being a marginal, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.